Guys, this mango fell from the tree. Almost hit me in my head. Stupid mango. Fell from that tree way up there. I guess it's mango season. What's up, guys? It's your boy WannabeMatt. It's a lovely day. So what's up with you guys? Hope you all are okay. Ooh, check out my new whip.
Autobots, roll out!
So yeah, guys, I've been thinking that I really like making these videos. I don't know if you guys enjoy watching them, but I really like making them. So like, if you enjoy watching them, also just leave a thumbs up down below, leave a comment. I reply to my comments whenever I can. But yeah, I continue making them and you guys can continue watching them. It's really hot out today. I don't know, I'm feeling for some froyo. What do you guys think?
Cause even when you sleep, you see me in your dreams. You can call it a wet dream. I met you when you were so innocent, now give my chore. I know it's all becoming intimate. You shower me with kisses and a lot of sweet compliments. Now when you want it, you approaching me with confidence. Cause I am the only man to grant you with such happiness. Make you feel good when me deal with your passionate. I mean, I aim to your heart like a flame to a spark. Not even Cupid or us so accurate. Well, me know me slim bun, my ganja and ting. Them I ask what you doing with a nigga like him. She bust a smile and a pretty little grin, then reply that her man is very talented. Me realize not we take it as surprise when them see the liquor empress right there by my side. The kind of girl fi make you walk the road with pride. Just fi know say you're in a me home she reside. Cause I know that she loves me. Yes, I know that she loves me. Cause even when you sleep you see me.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is WannabeMatt. Like, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, guys, it's a lovely day. Oh, it's so wet. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. It's a lovely day. It's a bit hot.